Did you know 90% of electrical fires at home start from small installation mistakes? Today, Linsky reveals the 4 outlet installation mistakes you must never make.
You can check your own outlet right after watching 4 deadly mistakes. How many are you making?
Mistake 1. Stripping too much wires.
Stripping too much insulation from wire leaves exposed copper. Standard: keep all copper fully under the screw with none showing. This makes a safe, secure connection.
Trim the wire and strip just enough to wrap around the screw once. Mistake 2. Stripping to little wires.
Insulation gets under the screw so it feels tight, but the copper doesn't connect well. So this can make the wire loose, overheat, and spark.
The standard no exposure, full contact. Restrip the wire to ensure only bare copper is under the screw. Mistake 3. Wrong wire direction.
Wrapping the wire counterclockwise will push it out when you tighten the screw, so it won't stay secure.
Always wrap the wire clockwise, the same direction the screw tightens. The tighter you turn the screw, the firmer the grip, so it will never come loose. Mistake 4. Unsafe shortcuts.
Never put 2 wires under one screw. This causes bad contact, overheating, fire risk.
Safety rule: 1 screw, 1 wire. Use a proper connector or junction box to split connections.
Any of these 4 mistakes can make your home in danger. Electrical work, small details can make you safe. At Linsky, we follow the highest safety standards. For us, this is not just our job, it's our responsibility.